Renewable Resources aim to install solar panels on your roof quickly and efficiently with the minimum of disruption. Depending on the ease of access, scaffolding may be erected in advance. Then, on the agreed day, our fully trained installers arrive early in the morning. The roofing team begin to unload the van, taking care to clear up any rubbish as they go. Meanwhile, inside the house, an electrician starts by finding a suitable place to install an inverter, usually in a loft. He then identifies the optimum route for wires to connect it to the mains electricity box and begins the cable run. Wires are always concealed with cable trunking to make them as unobtrusive as possible. On a typical roof, tiles are carefully lifted to reveal the wooden beams below. Cantilever brackets are then secured to the beams at regular intervals, and the tiles are replaced. With a row of brackets in place, cross beams are cut to length and bolted onto the brackets. Back in the loft, the engineer is preparing backing boards and plates. The main item of equipment to be installed is the inverter, which converts the DC or direct current electricity generated by the solar panels into AC or alternating current used in mains electricity. Once all the connections are made, cables are threaded through the roof, ready to be attached to the solar panels. Outside, the roofing team have finished attaching the metal crossbeams to the roof and are ready to lay out the panels. Before they're raised to the roof, each one is tested to check that it's in working order. Wires on panels are plugged into the cable leading to the inverter in the loft. Panels are then carefully aligned and attached to the crossbeams. With all panels in place, the roofing team clear up, taking the opportunity to remove moss and dirt from guttering. With his work finished in the loft, the electrician cleans up any mess before moving to the location of the mains electricity box. Cables are fed through trunking, and a meter, an isolator, and a distribution board are installed. After final testing, the connection is made to the mains, and electricity begins to flow from the solar panels for your personal use or into the national grid. Finally, the electrician completes an installation report and explains to the homeowner how to use their system.